Hi guys, how are you? Yes, I am here after, I want to say like 2 years since I posted my intro. I'm so sorry about that, guys, but I'm here, and guess what? I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this fluffy brow lamination type deal, because I have noticed that the fluffy lamination brow is trending right now, so I figured I'd show you guys. And then yesterday I did upload a picture of my brows, and I didn't think I was gonna get that many DMs as far as like what products I use and how do I achieve them, so I thought I'd show you guys. But here is a closer look at the fluffy brow. Yeah, sure, if you want to see this pretty much process on how I glammed this brow, then continue watching. So guys, let me show you the brow that we're going to be working with today. As you can see, this brow is just missing a gap here. It doesn't grow hair up here. And then compared to this brow looks more put together. It's fluffy. It looks like you did that lamination thing that's going around now. One thing, excuse my backs guys, with this whole quarantine thing, I feel like my sleeping schedule has been messed up. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys can relate. But anywho's, let me show you the products that I have been loving for my brows. This is a Glossier Brow Flick, and I have it in color brown. I know they have it in black and then I think blonde, but I just went with the brown one. And then I have the boy brow as well from Glossier, and then this one I got it in clear. So these two actually are really good. So I'm gonna show you guys how I go from this brow to this brow. Okay, so sorry, I'm gonna be using my mirror, a little mirror, because I can't really see through the camera thing. So as you can see, I don't know if you can focus, but the tip, it looks like an eyeliner pen. You get to shake it and stuff like that, which is, I mean, I don't know, like a regular eyeliner, I guess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do brush hair kind of deal thing, just to give us the ultimate, like, you know, natural brow. I'm not gonna box it in, or I'm not gonna outline my brow. I'm just gonna literally flick, hence brow flick. So what we're gonna do, hopefully you guys could see, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start, because I have a little gap here, so I'm gonna flick, flick, flick. Honestly guys, this is like the easiest thing. Before I was so into like the boxy brow, but now I feel like this just honestly looks way better, more natural, because we want to look natural. But you just want to do flick like motions. Sorry guys, I literally had coffee bean, and their coffee is strong, so my hand is like trying to keep it together. Okay, once you kind of have like a rough patch, you see is really not boxed in, it's just hair like strokes, which that's what you want. I still conceal the bottom, but I only start like halfway, because I really want it to give like a, again, a natural look. So the one that I use is a Tarte Shape Tape, and then this is a color light neutral, but you guys could always alter pretty much to whatever skin color you guys are, but just for reference I do use the light neutral. So I'm gonna apply some on the back of my hand, just so we could clean the bottom half, and then we're gonna go and set the brows. But what I've noticed is that I like to leave this to set in, because if I go right away with the brow, with the boy brow gel, I feel like it leaves it muddy. I don't know if that makes sense, but let them set. So we're gonna conceal this bottom half. Sturdy hand guys. Bam. One stroke. Just want to blend it in. And then I go with my finger just to melt the product in and give us a more seamless look. I think that looks good. I just need to blend this bottom half. Hopefully you guys could see exactly what I'm doing. But guys, it is hot as hell. In my room, all this lighting is not helping. Okay. So it should look something like that. Now, we're gonna go in with the Boy Brows gel setter, I guess. That's what I like to call it. So guys, the clear one comes off as white, but once you apply it, it dries clear. So don't worry about it. So next, we're gonna go ahead, and this is how it looks. Super tiny, really, I don't know if it focus, but super tiny, gets in there. So you're gonna wanna comb this upward. Allergies. So you're gonna wanna comb this upward, like so. I really, really, really like how this looks. I know this may not be everyone's cup of tea, but it is mine at the moment. And yesterday I posted a picture of my brows and I got so many DMs asking like, oh, what product do I use? How do I do it? Oof, how do I do it and stuff. So I thought I'd show you guys how to do it. Okay, and then this is how it looks. I'm gonna show you guys. This step is optional, but I'm gonna show you guys because I've seen that this brow lamination has been really trending lately. So if you want to get that pretty much effect, you're gonna want to grab the back of any like brush, let it set in a little bit, and then what you're gonna want to do to get that brow lamination look, you're gonna press on the hair. So let me see if you guys could see. You're gonna go ahead and press down the hairs. This is gonna give you the look of a brow lamination without the commitment. Like I said, this step is optional, but I have seen it trending, so I figured I'd show you guys in case if you wanted that look. Look at that. And we hardly use any product, guys, on the brows, and you've seen how messed up my brow was. I'm telling you, that was a 2020 brow. And there you go. And there you guys have it, the brow done, ready to sit my butt in the couch. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this small video. Like I said, I wanted to show you guys how I get it done. But anyways, please leave any suggestions for videos down below. I will be sure to do them this time, I promise. But thank you guys once again, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.